Hi guys, welcome to Syska Grooming Club. I'm Valerie and that's my model Rais. On Rais today we're going to do a tapered haircut with Syska multi-purpose hair clipper. We're going to use our Syska clipper where it has 4 adjustable guides. It also has 4 adjustable blades. We're going to start using the biggest guide, which is 12 mm. We're going to continue using our guards 9 mm, 6 mm and 3 mm so we get the tapered feel. It has movable ceramic blades that is skin friendly and also a low noise technology. It has turbo action for quick cleaning and trimming. Due to the ceramic blades, the clipper is long lasting. On full charge, the battery gives you 4 hours of continuous usage. To complete this look, I'm going to use a wet gel. Taking around this much. Apply the product, make sure the hair is nice and damp. If it's dry, use a water spray to dampen it down. Moving the hair from left to right, creating a nice messy textured look. We're going to use a Syska dryer to set the style. First we're going to use hot air. And simply then with cold air. You can even add a little bit of hairspray to finish the look. There you go with your tapered look. Syska.